So welcome back. We are working to create our thesis. So last time we were able to connect the different files, the introduction, the summary, materials and methods, results and discussion with the main text by using the include command. Now I'm going to show you why LaTeX is so good, because it takes so much work away from us, of course, once we know what we're doing. So first thing is we're going to introduce the table of contents. It's the same type of command that we use for the make title. Here it is. We have each of the chapter numbers, the pages where they are. Now the part that was my less preferable part, because it took me forever to figure out how to do it, but you don't have to worry about that because you have me. So we're going to add the bibliography. I already have my bibliography as a bib file, and I placed it in the thesis folder as I showed you 2 videos ago. If you have not seen how to organize your thesis and your files and your folders, please go back to that video, because then you understand what we are doing. I already added the file. The first thing is we have to use a package for the bibliography, and we have to go to the preamble. Remember, the preamble is the part where we kind of like talk directly with the computer, and where is begin document is actually where we write. What we're going to do here is first tell which one is the package that we're going to use for the bibliography. And I'm using bibtex, and it works for my system. Mine is the bibliotex, and I have done these different options in the package to use because some of the papers have the DOI, and it was going over the margin of the document, and it does not look pretty. So that was the only way that I was able to avoid that and put them all in a block. I need to tell it where is my bibliography document, because if I don't tell it, it will not know. So as you remember, is inside this folder where we are, because the main text is under or is inside the thesis folder. So bibliography is going to be in the same folder. I don't have to tell it to go to another folder like we did for the chapters. I can just tell it is here, and it will find it right away. Good. So we did that. Then we need to tell it, okay, at almost the end of the document, you need to tell it to print the bibliography. This part, the main, is all set up. Let's try and see if it's working. I have all my bibliography in the bibliography file. Now I want to add my citation, and it's just \cite, and you see that automatically will come with these options. Let's say that I'm going to use the FIFO. Let's go back and see if the bibliography is being assembled. So we have our bibliography. That's our reference. Now we need to make sure that it's in the contents, and it's not. In order to be able to see it in the table of contents, we have to do some modifications here, where we have the heading and we change the name of bibliography to references. So let's see what happens. Let me go to and here it is. Our references are there. Good. So that would be for now. We have our title, we have our table of contents, we have introduced our first reference for our bibliography. Next time we will start with the main document that usually is the results section. See you in the next video. Bye!